Hello children, how are you? I hope you are fine. Do you remember the alphabet song I taught you in my last lesson? What was the phonic sound we learnt? Yes, it was the phonic sound of the letter S. S. Now, let's have fun with the story of the phonic sound of the letter A. Ah. Shall we start? One day, a little girl, Alice, went into the jungle to collect some apples. She saw some red, juicy, yummy apples hanging on a tree. She wanted to eat them, but the apples were too high for little girl Alice to reach. So Alice shook the tree, singing a song. Red, red apples hanging on a tree. Red, red apples smiling at me. I shook the tree as hard as I could. Down came an apple, oh very good. Down came an apple, oh very good. Yay! Alice clapped happily in delight as all the apples fell down from the tree. When she bent down to pick the apples, one ant came and bit her ankle. Ah! Something is tickling me! Something is tickling me! And she shouts, ah! 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 Yes, this is the sound of letter A. Ah! Okay, let me show you the words beginning with the phonic sound of the letter A. Ah! Speak with me. Apple, ankle, ant, axe, arrow, aeroplane, alligator, ambulance, astronaut. Good. Great job, kids. I hope you enjoyed learning the phonic sound of the letter A. Ah. Thank you. Meet you next time. Bye.